what we've been through, isn't it nice to just relax and listen to some great music?
I'm not so sure. I mean, I guess this is all right, but to tell you the truth, I'm getting a bit tired of it. Hey, if it ain't the boy
You can't
wonder.
be serious.
Have you found
I
that
mean,
tire
listen to
iron for me
this.
yet? Hey, can you hear that? I think there's something wrong with the washer again. Hello, son. Thanks, man. Hello.
Shh, listen. You know, time passes a lot faster with music. Shh, listen. You know, time passes a lot faster with music. Shh, listen.
Hey there, little dude. Hello, son. Hello. Hey there, little dude.
No, sir. I didn't see anything. I was in the other room trying to fix the washer. When I came back, the car was running, and he was lying on the floor.
Let me get this straight. You were in the next room and didn't hear the car starting by itself.
No, sir. I didn't hear anything over the music. I know how it sounds, but I swear, I'm telling you the truth.
Yeah, right. Well, you can explain that to the judge. I'm gonna go get the deputy here. So this is just to make sure you don't go do anything stupid.
What? What? Oh no! What the? What? Oh! Oh! No! What the? No! No! No!
What the hell happened here? I left the room for like 5 seconds.
Holy shit, is that Will? I just had coffee with him this morning. I can't take much more of this. We need to leave this godforsaken place.
We are not going anywhere. Call the paramedics and let them know we have another body here.
Why are we still here? We should leave now. I'm not staying a minute longer inside this house.
Nancy, I need you to be calm. I've called the priest for help. If they can't, no one can.
You can't still seriously believe that a 7-year-old boy could be behind this.
That's what I'm going to find out. In the meantime, stay away from Lucius.
Listen, Charles, I'm going to wait for you in the garden with our son. If you don't show up, then we will leave without you.
That thing is not our son, and I'm going to prove it to you.
Seul la